my god.
Goodness. So here is the unwrapping the final product.
Woo! Ooh, it's tight, tense.
Yeah.
Wow.
So we got these books. They open and they close, and you can write things inside of them. Anything that you'd like, honestly. It's got a green cover page.
Wow.
Yeah. I like yours, Raven. It's really pretty.
I need to cut my papers.
Oh yeah, you can rip it off. Oh yeah, you probably want to cut it.
Probably cut it. I love it.
Yeah, so...
Oh my gosh, I made this. That's pretty cool. I forgot what it looked like.
Mine is purple and brown and green. Alright.
Alright, let's start a book. Cheers. You want to check mine out?
Yeah.
Ooh, yours is soft.
I like yours, Raven.
Ooh, I love your colors. I love the green and brown. That's cool. Green and purple is two of my favorite color combinations.
Cool.
Perfect, Jordan. I like it.
Yeah, yours is nice. I love
Do you think you have any tips on maybe ways I could have did it better for a better product?
it. I like the way that you did yours. I like how it fits. It works together. It opens nice and smoothly.
Yeah, I could say things, but almost like the imperfections make it kind of special.
Yeah.
My corners, I kind of wish I could have tucked my corners a little better, but I kind of like how they stick out too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually love it.
I like how it kind of like comes out diagonal like that.
Yeah. Why did that happen like that?
No. I
Interesting.
kind of did that on mine too.
Interesting. Also, I could have been a little better with my paper sutures, but you can tell it don't really matter. It doesn't really matter in the end because
For some reason on mine, like the back, like it opens up, but like in the back one doesn't go. For some
maybe it
reason.
just needs to
Like,
be.
I think I need to make the gap in between the boards and the spine bigger.
I love it. High five.
High five.
We made a book.
Yeah.